Excellence begins with insignificance. Excellence is achieved with dedication. A decade ago, with a dream, our entrepreneurship started with a humble beginning. Thereafter, it was a profound experience and a deep understanding about the industry, along with a strict quality control that had endowed us with customers' recognition. Dreaming to make weaving more efficient. Our step of pursuit for excellence has never stopped. Wholeheartedly, we have dedicated diligence and intelligence to this promising and significant cause. Believing only well-crafted products will fulfill our mission. We make each loom with all parts processed by a lean production and an outstanding supply chain of the world's top-class brands. With a high value of technological innovation, we have kept a persistent upgrade comprehensively, from hardware to software. More advanced processing machines are equipped, modern ideals and systems of management are adopted. So far, looms made by excellent craftsmanship are already massively serving in mills, home and abroad, contributing to a more efficient development of the weaving industry. As the market expands and the industry develops, with a value of creation and sharing, we will hold firm to our mission to make weaving more efficient, maintain continuous technological reformation, present better loom products with higher performance, and enjoy every step of growth with partners home and abroad, all the way to a better future of excellence. To make weaving more efficient.